Hello guys, today I will show to you how to make this poster design. Pay attention to the hint of the shortcut and the right hand message at the bottom of the screen and the link of the material in the description below. It is safe to download because the link from Google Drive. First, I open the flower file and then I type the flower text with impact font. One I use 300. I type flower, then Ctrl T to transform. Reduce opacity to see the flower transparent. Okay, I think this is good. Then Ctrl click the thumbnail. I fill with black. I take. I select this part. Ctrl J. I delete this one. Ctrl T to transform. Sorry. Unlock first. Select this part. Ctrl D. Ctrl T to transform. Okay. And then I select this part. Ctrl J to copy. Ctrl T to transform. Okay, Ctrl T again. And then I make new layer here. I fill with black. I think this is good. So I merge. I select this part. Delete. Ctrl D to deselect. Then I reduce the opacity to see the position. Okay. I think the position here is good. Then Control click. I click twice to unlock. I name it flower. And then I mask. Then I open the background file. I drag, put it down, convert to smart object, use filter, neural filter, zoom out, depth blur. I click here for the focus. Focal range I take 2. Okay, 6. And then make it more blur. Okay, I think this is good. And then I convert smart object again, and then I make it blur with Gaussian blur. we can read the text clearly. And then I copy first for backup. I delete the masking. I turn off. Then I make stroke here, size 6, and then I give drop shadow so we can read clearly. And then I will take this flower, the front. I use this tool to select. Very good for fast selecting. Ctrl J to copy. And then I will see the other flower. I think one I will take. Use this tool. Oh, sorry. Ctrl J again. Then I take this flower. And that's it. Then I group this typography. I color it with green, the group, and name it typography. And then I use hue saturation. I clip here. I increase the saturation of the typography. And then I click here. I use curve to lighten. And then the background I group. I color the group with blue and name it background. And then I reduce the saturation. So the typography will be stand out. And I think I will reduce the lightness. I think I will use a curve. So the typography will be clearly visible. Okay guys, I think this is good already. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.